Creating a kid story video can take a lot of time. You need consistent characters, multiple scenes, voiceover, animation and background music. And then you still have to put everything together. But what if you could create a complete story video from just one story idea? Today I am going to show you exactly how I created this kid story video without doing any manual editing.
जंगल का सन्नाटा अचानक टूट गया जब हवा में एक अजीब सी गूंज उठी। उस विशाल और पुराने बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे एक चंचल खरगोश ने अपने पैर जमीन पर जोर से पटके और कछुए को दौड़ने की खुली चुनौती दे दी। खरगोश की आंखों में एक अजीब सी चमक थी, बस एक अटूट और शांत संकल्प साफ झलक रहा था। जैसे ही दौड़ शुरू हुई, खरगोश बिजली की कौंध की तरह आंखों से ओझल हो गया। कुछ दूर जाकर उसने पीछे मुड़कर देखा तो उसे धूल के गुबार के सिवा कुछ भी नजर न आया। उसे अपनी जीत पर इतना भरोसा था कि उसने एक घने पेड़ की ठंडी छांव चुनी और अपनी आंखें मूंद लीं। खरगोश को लगा कि कछुआ अभी मीलों पीछे है और इसी बेफिक्री में वह गहरी नींद के आगोश में डूब गया। दूसरी तरफ कछुआ निरंतर चल रहा था। उसके छोटे पैर नुकीले पत्थरों पर घिस रहे थे और पसीने की नन्ही बूंदें सूखी मिट्टी में गिर रही थीं। लेकिन उसके कदमों में एक अद्भुत लय थी। एक कदम, फिर दूसरा कदम। उसने न तो ऊपर आसमान की ओर देखा और न ही पीछे मुड़कर अपनी दूरी नापी। जब वह सोते हुए खरगोश के पास से गुजरा, तब भी वह रुका नहीं। उसने नदियां पार की, पथरीले रास्तों को नापा और अंत में वह जीत की रेखा के बेहद करीब पहुंच गया। तभी खरगोश की नींद अचानक टूटी। उसने घबराहट में चारों ओर देखा और पूरी ताकत लगाकर दौड़ पड़ा। धूल उड़ाता हुआ वह फिनिश लाइन पर पहुंचा, लेकिन वहां सिर्फ कछुए के पैरों के निशान थे। कछुआ पहले ही रेखा पार कर।
As you can see, it has multiple scenes, consistent characters, voiceover, animation and background music. And the best part is that we can repeat the same workflow to create more stories for a kid story YouTube channel. So let's see how I created it. Simply open your Chrome browser and search MagicLight AI. After that, simply click on the first website. From the dashboard, I will choose Story to Video. So here I can simply enter my story or paste my script. For this video I am using the Rabbit and Tortoise story. I have also provided a master prompt in the video description that you can use to create your own story prompt. Simply copy the master prompt, customize it according to your story and use Cloud AI to generate the final prompt. Once the prompt is ready, just paste it here. Now let's customize few settings before generating the story. First, we can choose the visual style. MagicLight gives us different styles depending on the type of video we want to create. For this kids story, I am going with cartoon story. Next, we have AI model. Simply tap on it, and for this video, I choose to Cloud Opus 4.7 for better analyze the prompt. And the next is, since my story is in Hindi, I am selecting Hindi. And the next is aspect ratio. For YouTube, I am going with 16:9. Next, we can customize the voice. There are different voice options available, so we can choose one that fits our story. For this video, I am selecting Konika. Next, we can choose the video duration. For this project, I am going to customize the duration to 2 minutes. We also have polish skill. This can help improve and structure the story before generating the video. For my project, I am going to select a smart polish. And then MagicLight shows how much the credits gone on this customization. 1302. Let's move to the next step. Now MagicLight start processing the story and preparing the different parts of our video. Let's move to the next step. Now we are in the cast section. This is one of the most important parts of creating a kid story. Here we can manage the characters that will appear throughout our story. In my case, we only have two main characters, the rabbit and the tortoise. I can select this character for my story and I can also tap on a character to customize if I want. The important part is that these characters can be used across different scenes, helping us maintain a consistent look throughout the story. And this is especially useful when you are creating kid stories, because you don't want the main character to suddenly look completely different in the next scene. So once our characters are ready, let's move to the storyboard. Before you click on the next, you can see the credits which will be used. So now we are in the storyboard section. This is where MagicLight takes our single story and turn it into a complete production by breaking it down into different scenes and shots. As you can see, the story has been divided into different shots and MagicLight has generated visual for each part of the story. This makes the process much easier because we don't have to manually plan every scene from scratch. And if you don't like a particular shot, I don't need to restart the entire video. I can simply select that individual shot and use the prompt on the right side to make changes. This gives us much more control over the final story while keeping the rest of the production intact. Once we are happy with the storyboard, we can move on to animation. Now it's time to animate our story. Instead of animating every scene one by one, we can use Animate All to animate all the selected scenes together. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to animate every shot separately. And here you also choose the AI model. In this case, I am going to choose Kling 2.1. The credits will earn 7200. So now it's time to click on Confirm. Once the animation is ready, let's check the result. As you can see, most of the shots look good, but there are a couple of shots that I want to change. If you are not happy with a particular shot, you don't need to start the whole project again. You can simply select that shot, rewrite the prompt and generate it again. I am going to generate these two shots with Minimax H3 first. And now let's try Minimax H3 first. For these shots, MagicLight also gives us the option to try different animation models, so we can choose the one that's work best for a particular shot. So as you can see, the video is generated and just look at the video quality. So this is amazing guys. I also regenerated this video with Minimax H3. So as you can see, we can replace the previous result without recreating the entire story. Also for a limited time, new users can create one AI story up to 1 minute for free with Minimax H3 first. Once I am happy with the animation, I will move to the editing stage. Here we can make the final adjustment before generating the video. I am going to turn off subtitles because I don't want them in my final video. Next I will add background music. Then simply click on generate. Again, I also make sure the aspect ratio is 16:9, and for the final quality, I am selecting Full HD. Everything looks good, so now we are ready to generate the final video. MagicLight will combine the different parts of our project, including scenes, characters, voiceover, animation, and background music, into one complete video. Now the video is ready. Let's take a look at the final result.
जंगल का सन्नाटा अचानक टूट गया जब हवा में एक अजीब सी गूंज उठी। उस विशाल और पुराने बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे एक चंचल खरगोश ने अपने पैर जमीन पर जोर से पटके और कछुए को दौड़ने की खुली चुनौती दे दी। खरगोश की आंखों में एक अजीब सी चमक थी, बस एक अटूट और शांत संकल्प साफ झलक रहा था। जैसे ही दौड़ शुरू हुई, खरगोश बिजली की कौंध की तरह आंखों से ओझल हो गया। कुछ दूर जाकर उसने पीछे मुड़कर देखा तो उसे धूल के गुबार के सिवा कुछ भी नजर न आया। उसे अपनी जीत पर इतना भरोसा था कि उसने एक घने पेड़ की ठंडी छांव चुनी और अपनी आंखें मूंद लीं। खरगोश को लगा कि कछुआ अभी मीलों पीछे है और इसी बेफिक्री में वह गहरी नींद के आगोश में डूब गया। दूसरी तरफ कछुआ निरंतर चल रहा था। उसके छोटे पैर नुकीले पत्थरों पर घिस रहे थे और पसीने की नन्ही बूंदें सूखी मिट्टी में गिर रही थीं। लेकिन उसके कदमों में एक अद्भुत लय थी। एक कदम, फिर दूसरा कदम। उसने न तो ऊपर आसमान की ओर देखा और न ही पीछे मुड़कर अपनी दूरी नापी। जब वह सोते हुए खरगोश के पास से गुजरा, तब भी वह रुका नहीं। उसने नदियां पार की, पथरीले रास्तों को नापा और अंत में वह जीत की रेखा के बेहद करीब पहुंच गया। तभी खरगोश की नींद अचानक टूटी। उसने घबराहट में चारों ओर देखा और पूरी ताकत लगाकर दौड़ पड़ा। धूल उड़ाता हुआ वह फिनिश लाइन पर पहुंचा, लेकिन वहां सिर्फ कछुए के पैरों के निशान थे। कछुआ पहले ही रेखा पार कर चुका था। जंगल के सभी जानवर स्तब्ध थे। खरगोश का घमंड आज मिट्टी में मिल चुका था। उस दिन जंगल ने यह महान सीख ली कि जीत रफ्तार से नहीं, बल्कि बिना रुके चलते रहने की जिद से मिलती है।
So if you are happy with the result, you can simply click download and save the final video. And that's it. But the best part is that this workflow doesn't have to stop with just one video. You can repeat the same process with a new story. So instead of creating just one AI video, you can use this workflow to continuously produce new kid stories and build your own kid story YouTube channel. MagicLight also offers different plans depending on how much content you want to create. And with features like story generation, character management, storyboards, animation and editing in one workflow, it can make the entire kid story creation process much easier. So if you want to create kid stories with AI and turn your ideas into complete videos, you can check out MagicLight using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.